Hey, what's going on, guys? This is the chill lemur here, and today we're going to be unboxing this new movie that I just got from Best Buy, and it's called Marvel Studios Spider-Man No Way Home. And as you can see, we got the Blu-Ray, DVD, and digital, and it's got like over 80 minutes of bonus content, bloopers and gag reel, Spider-Man Unite and more, and included with the purchase of digital version of this movie. So yeah, as you already know, it says the best Marvel movie of all time, which I think it would be the best because it's the best movie there is. So we got the spine, we got the Blu-ray, Spider-Man No Way Home, and on the back here we got some nice features on the back. They got mechanical arms, Electro, Doctor Strange, MJ, Peter Parker, Spider-Man, Green Goblin, and it says most exciting, surprising, and emotional Spidey of them all. And it says when Doctor Strange's spell to restore Spider-Man's identity go wary, Peter is forced to overcome his greatest challenge yet. And it's got over 80 minutes of bonus content, including bloopers and gag reels, Spider-Man Unite, alternate reality Easter eggs, a multiverse of miscreants, Enter Strange, a meeting of the spiders, and more. Special features are not rated, so yeah. As you can see, it's PG-13, so I think it's a good movie, so anywho, but yeah. And also the spine as well. So anyway, let's get on with the unboxing thing. So I'm just gonna carefully open the slipcase with it, and I just dropped it. Hold on, boys. Whoops, I just dropped it. And yeah, so I'm going to cut out the shrink wrap carefully, nice and smooth. I'm gonna set the side right here, and then I'm going to open this up. As you can see, we got a digital code over here, so nobody can see the code over here. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. And then we got a nice cool DVDs and Blu-rays, and I'll spin it out so you can. Actually, I don't want to do that, but yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't know, can I do that? I don't want to get fingerprints on this. No, I don't want to get fingerprints. Did I get a fingerprint? Let me see. No, I don't want to get fingerprints on me. But yeah, so I think that's it for this video. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions about this new Marvel Studios Spider-Man No Way Home on Blu-ray, DVD, and digital, make sure to give a like and post some nice comments down below if you're guys new to my channel. So, and if you guys give me a comment on my YouTube channel, And if you're new to YouTube, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So anywho, yeah. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you guys next time. Peace, my dudes. Peace.